Hello, and welcome to another episode of English with Altaf. I'm Ikra, and today's video is all about one important skill, how to make a sentence quickly in English.
And I'm Altaf. In this video, we'll give you simple tips, practice together, and show you how to stop overthinking and just start speaking confidently. Let's help you think fast and speak even faster in English.
Altaf, have you ever seen people struggle just to make one simple sentence in English?
Yes, all the time. Even people who know many words sometimes freeze when they want to say something quickly. They think too much, then forget everything.
Exactly. So today we're going to teach you a few simple patterns. Once you learn these, you'll be able to make sentences without wasting time.
Let's start with the first tip. Don't wait for a perfect sentence. Just speak. Start with something easy, like I want, I need, or I am.
Yes, these are great sentence starters. Let's try. I want. I want some tea. I need. I need help. I am. I am tired.
Very good. Now you try. You at home, pause the video for a second and make 3 sentences. One with I want, one with I need, and one with I am. Say them out loud. Speaking is practice.
Okay, now let's move to another trick. Use the present continuous tense. It's easy and useful. Just follow this pattern. I am plus verb plus ing. Like, I am cooking. I am watching TV. I am learning English.
Nice and simple. This pattern works everywhere. Once you know it, you can use it anytime. And again, don't wait to make it perfect. Just say it.
Right. Another good method is the question-answer technique. If you can't think of something to say, just ask yourself a question and then answer it. For example, what are you doing? I'm reading. What do you like? I like chocolate. Where are you going? I'm going to the market.
Ikra, that is a great point. It's like having a mini conversation with yourself. This builds fluency and confidence. You don't always need someone else to practice. You can practice anywhere, anytime.
Another way to make quick sentences is by learning sentence patterns. For example, I like plus noun, or I want a plus verb. I like movies. I like reading books. I want to eat pizza. I want to learn English.
Yes, these are building blocks. You don't need big grammar knowledge. Just take these blocks and build your sentence. The more you do it, the faster you get.
Some people say, I think in Urdu, then try to translate to English. That takes time. Don't do that. Start thinking in English, even simple English.
Great advice. Let's show them how. Look around your room. Now describe things in English. For example, this is a chair. The fan is on. The window is open. Even short sentences help train your brain.
Yes. And remember, practice out loud. Silent practice doesn't help your speaking. Your mouth and tongue also need training. Speaking out loud gives you confidence and fluency.
Ikra, should we try a little sentence building challenge?
Yes, let's do it. I'll say a word and you make a sentence quickly. Then we switch. Ready?
Ready!
Word, coffee.
I am drinking coffee.
Good. Now you give me a word.
Book.
I am reading a book.
Nice. Next word, morning.
I wake up early in the morning.
Perfect. One more, rain.
It is raining outside.
Well done. Now it's your turn, viewers. Think of any 5 words and quickly make 5 simple sentences. Say them out loud.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The most important thing is to speak without fear.
Yes. And remember, the goal is communication, not perfection. If someone understands you, your sentence is good enough.
Let's also remind everyone of the 4 golden patterns. I want, I am, I like, I need.
And the 2 golden rules. Don't translate in your head. Don't wait to speak, just speak.
Exactly. Even if your sentence is short or simple, say it confidently. English speaking becomes easier with practice.
Also, try to use English in your daily routine. For example, while brushing your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. While eating, say, I am eating breakfast. Before sleeping, say, I am going to sleep.
These small daily habits help you build confidence fast. In just a few weeks, you'll notice you're making sentences without hesitation.
And finally, let's give our viewers one last tip. Repeat what you hear. If you hear someone say a good sentence, repeat it. Say it 3 times. It helps you remember and speak faster next time.
Yes, I love that. Repeat, repeat, repeat. That's how you train your brain.
So Ikra, should we quickly review what we've learned in this video?
Sure. In this video, we learned how to make sentences quickly using simple patterns. We practiced using I want, I need, I am, and I like. We also used present continuous sentences and question-answer technique.
We also talked about thinking in English, not translating. And we reminded you that practice, not perfection, is the key. The more you speak, the more fluent you become.
We hope this video helps you speak English faster and with more confidence.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel English with Altaf for more easy and fun lessons.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye.